Fucking Christ. Alright. Okay. Anyways, fucking okay, I'm gonna redo it one more time for fucking sake, right? So Discord has this really stupid fucking bug where it'll gray screen and it'll just deadlock for no reason, right? The reason why, which I've just confirmed, is basically if you have a package.json in your home directory, and said package.json has type module in it, it will shit Discord out. The proof is that if I delete this line, and I fucking save the file, so now it no longer contains that line, and then I go back to here, I restart Discord. I have to force close it because when you do the restart, it only technically restarts some of the thing. So it's gone. Fucking go into here, fucking discord.app. I restart it. You'll see now it launches fine. Unless the Visual Studio Code didn't save it. Did Visual Studio Code not save it? Is it that shit of an editor that it can't even save files?
I think you accidentally deleted a comma that you didn't mean to delete.
Maybe. Either way, let's use a much better editor to get there. Don't care. I did delete a comma instead of the line. Okay. Anyway, so if I delete that module line now, and then I fucking restart Discord, force restart it now. Fucking Discord. Ta-da! It will launch now. Fine. Completely fine.
Wow.
And then once again, if I right-click into here and I force quit, and then same thing, just in this one file, which for context, all you need to do to make this file, oh my god, fucking quit. There we are. All you need to do to accidentally create that file is one second, sudo rm-rf ~package.json. Password is this magical number. Right there. Oh shit, I did RM instead of RM. RM. There we are. So the package lock is gone, right? All you need to do to actually create that file is fucking npm init. That's all it takes. You can spam through the defaults, it doesn't matter. And then as soon as you do that, Discord will still run because fucking cool, because Discord likes defaults, I guess. But then if you go into the fucking package file, package.json, and then you fucking just go in here and you change one fucking line, all you do is you just fucking change you just add the line type module. For context, what this does is it basically forces ECMAScript 9 instead of ECMAScript 5. Which is funny because the last version that supported ECMAScript 5 was Internet Explorer 11, which is now dead and deprecated for like 2 years now.
Jesus.
So that's fucking epic. And then if we once again, so we can see Discord was running, right? If I force quit, we can see that I wrote there, do that little line right there. I relaunched Discord. Whoops. Discord.app. It's bugged again.
Keep in mind, this is Discord using files that it has no business using in your home directory.
Yeah, and this is fucking like a freshly installed like Discord. If we go to my terminal here, and I'm just gonna delete this line because, like, to be fair, there should not be a package in like in your JSON, or sorry, like a package.json in your home directory. That's honestly a really stupid thing to do, but still. Anyways, what I want to show up is that if we scroll up, you will see that right here is when I installed Brew, like fucking 12 commands ago, right? Whatever it is, I'm not gonna actually count, but you get the idea, right? So like, it's brand new, latest version of Discord. Like, date is current year, fucking whatever that is. I want to blur some things there, but you get the idea. But like,
people know about your purchases.
Yeah, but anyways, it's fucking current year, and Discord has not specified a package.json directory. It just checks your home fucking directory by default for some fucking reason. Discord. You're stupid. You're actually fucking stupid, Discord. Like, oh my god.
Bad call on Discord's part.
I mean, like, you know, I would love to be fucking forgiving, but this is the same group of people who want to charge fucking like $15-16 for a fucking avatar frame.
$22 for a bundle. But it's 9% off. What a great deal.
Yeah. Yeah, fucking amazing, right? Oh, dude, like, I'm sorry, Discord. Fix your shit. Fucking. Oh yeah, and if you heard that disconnect reconnect thing that happens, yeah, that happens on both the client and the desktop version for some reason. Don't ask me why. Just for some fucking reason, the Discord client will just disconnect and reconnect. It just happens. Like.
That's still happening?
Oh yeah, no, did you not hear it earlier? Like just a couple seconds ago?
No, I haven't been hearing it because I have stream audio turned off, I think.
Ah, awesome.
Oh no, it doesn't work. Stream audio doesn't work on web Discord.
Ah, awesome. Well, either way, I still have the ding thing that happens like every once in a while. It happened once on this recording earlier, so fucking great. Nothing is consistent about it. It just happens. So hey, Discord, hire me for 2 weeks to fix it, or get somebody on it, please, because holy shit.
If Discord's watching this, then hire me. I clean a good toilet.
Something like that. But yeah, fucking dude, like, you don't even gotta call me into the office. Just like let me do like 2 commits to the Git repo and we'll be good, chief, okay?
My god.
Oh. Anyways, deuces.
What a funky thing.
Yeah, fucking Discord, please be better. just please be better.